So we're going to figure out our electron configuration of silver here. And notice it's below copper. Bum, bum, bum. You may want to put like a little star here to remind yourself in those two positions that those are the almost either half or fully filled. And so something might be weird about their electron configuration. So we're going to fill in silver with the orbital notation first, because this is one of those cases where it's easier to see it that way. All right, so here's my 1. I've got 1, 2. And then I've got my 2, and both my S's are filled. And I'm still on 2, and all of my P's are filled. And then I have my 3's, and all of my 3's are filled. If you ever see us pairing and it's full, it's just because we know they're all going to pair. And then we have our 4, and our 4 S's are filled because we're not at silver yet. Then we have our 3 D's and all, oops, I went a little too far. All of those are filled up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we have, remember, even though this is 3, this is where the 4 starts. So 4P, and all of those are filled. And then we have our 5 S's. And then we go all the way over, and it's 1 before the end. So this is D9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if I write this out, which I'm going to do in a second, I'll just like fill that all in. Now what's different is that because this is almost fully filled, and it only happens in this situation, but this one ends up not having anything in that spot, and it moves over to here. So I'm going to jump back out. And what that means is that its configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6, 5s2, 5s, that's what I just fixed, isn't it? I'm going to make it red. 1, 4d10. Now, if someone asks you how many valence electrons this is, by the way, that's coming up. And there's a little bit of debate as to how this combines. So you'll see that. And then if I was going to use my noble gas shortcut for this, this is where silver is. So this is my shortcut here. It's at the end of the 4 P's. So this whole section I could represent using my krypton, 5s1, 4d10.